You create a new one, just call it as USB installer. Then you're going to click on Linux and you are going to click on Ubuntu 32-bit, yeah, 32-bit. Next VDI, next create, and after that you power it on. It will ask you for this image, and then you select your image in here. For me it automatically selected because I already configured it just now. Just click start and wait to load. Okay, after you enter your desktop, right, what you're going to do is you click install Ubuntu. You can normally I won't click this. I will only say if you need this, only you click. But just now, right, when I install, right, I did not take this. I did not, but you should take this if you have time. Continue. And what you're going to do is you are going to erase your disk and install Ubuntu. So make sure your pen drive don't have any important files. Okay. You click device, right? Then you click USB. Then you select your pen drive. Only then it will mount into your virtual machine. Again, I repeat, you make sure your pen drive don't have any important file because it will be deleted permanently. You click install now. Go back first because it haven't detected my pen drive. Continue. Because I need to wait it to detect my pen drive. Just now it haven't detected because I forgot to mount it. Install Ubuntu alongside Ubuntu. Just erase. Click this one, erase. You click this one, erase this and install Ubuntu. Continue. Then it will ask you for the pen drive, for this selection. And if you do it inside Oracle Virtual Machine, it's very safe lah. If you know your pen drive size, then you can just click this one and you click install now. And because I already installed, right, I'm not going to do it again. This process will need you to wait about 1 hour. So I hope this tutorial you found helpful and you're able to follow. And I will see you next time. For me, I've been waiting about 1 hour for it to complete. And I think it's almost done now. Now it's just preparing the boot menu and other stuff. Alright, installation have done now. It's about 1 hour and 10 minutes. About 1 hour and 10 minutes. So I will click restart now and close this virtual machine. Your PC, for me, the one I got is F12 for Dell. And I need to type in my passwords first. Depending on your BIOS. For me, I need to change it to secure boot mode off in order to boot. And then, yes, apply the changes. And then after you change it, you reboot again. Your USB storage will appear when you turn off the secure mode. You can turn it on later. And voila! This is our Ubuntu, boot directly from our pen drive. Ta-da! The gorgeous Ubuntu. And the good thing, if you boot like this, right, I'm pretty sure your PC will not lag at all. Because Linux is run way more better than Windows. Okay, now it's fully boot into the system already. Oh, so nice, so beautiful. Wi-Fi network available. The good thing about Ubuntu, right, it supports the Wi-Fi driver by default, and it supports a lot of drivers, so you don't need to actually you know what, go to worry about your driver.